Inflammation is a fundamental biological response of the body to harmful agents, whether infectious, physical, chemical, or immunological, and is aimed at eliminating the cause of the damage and restoring tissue integrity. From a pathophysiological perspective, this process involves a coordinated sequence of vascular and cellular phenomena that are activated after the initial injury, including vasodilation, increased vascular permeability, and migration of leukocytes to the inflammatory focus. In this context, acute inflammation is characterized by its rapid onset and predominance of neutrophils, as well as by the presence of exudate-rich and plasma proteins. Conversely, chronic inflammation has a prolonged course with mononuclear cell infiltration, persistent tissue destruction, and simultaneous repair processes. From a morphological and clinical perspective, inflammation can manifest in different patterns, such as serous, fibrinous, purulent, or ulcerative inflammation, depending on the nature of the causative agent and the affected tissue. In this context, a detailed understanding of inflammatory mechanisms is essential for interpreting numerous pathologies, given that inflammation is involved in infectious processes as well as autoimmune, degenerative, and neoplastic diseases. Consequently, the integrated study of its cellular and molecular bases allows for the development of diagnostic and therapeutic strategies aimed at modulating the inflammatory response and limiting its adverse effects on the body.